Then Lord Chaitanya said in replying, Prabhu Kai Shivas Tomate Narada Sabhav Aishvarya Bhave Tomate Ishvara Prabhav. Aishvarya Bhave Tomate Ishvara Bhav. So Lord Chaitanya spoke, oh Shivas, your nature means your bhav, Narada Sabhav. Your Sabhav is like Narada Muni, who's a worshipper of Lord Narayan and Dasyarati. It seems that the Aishvarya Bhav has had a great influence on you. You were totally influenced by Aishvarya Bhav and Ishvara Bhav of the Supreme Controller Vishnu. Then Lord Chaitanya continues, Inho Damodara Sarup Shuddha Brajavasi Aishvarya na Jane Inho Shuddha Prema Basi. This is the desirable goal of all of us. This is nice. This is the desirable condition of all of us. If we want to become Shuddha Brijvasis, we have to have Shuddha Prema Base. We have to be floating in the pure prema of the Brajagopis and the Brajagopis. Then we become a pure Brijvasi. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu is telling Narada Muni, oh, you're from Vaikuntha? You worship Lakshmi Narayan and Aishvarya Bhav. But Swarup Damodar, he's from Vrindavan, he worships Krishna and Madhurya Bhav. You're Narada Muni, but the Swarup Damodar is Lalita Sakhi. So Lalita Sakhi she's a Shuddha Brijvasi. Shuddha. She's a Shuddha Brijvasi. She's floating in the waves of Madhurya Prem, Parakiya Bhav. It says here, so Damodar is simply absorbed in pure devotional service.